If you're cleaning grout first, you're probably not getting the right results. We are going to interview Magic Taf today. Haf is an IICRC instructor for more than 20 years.
As far as like tile and grout cleaning goes, what's a chemical that you recommend for tile and grout?
Well, tile and grout cleaning is, the tile itself isn't really hard to clean, right? You can clean it any which way. But when you have the grout is absorbent. It's going to absorb everything. Plus, it lays below the tile. So, in the groove underneath, dirt, water, all kinds of stains collect. But they're not just sitting there. They actually get absorbed into the grout. So it's really challenging to clean the grout, and in order to remove the blotchiness, the dirt from the grout itself, you need to have the chemical do the same thing that the dirt did, which is to get absorbed into the grout. So when you put it on the grout and it gets absorbed in it, it needs a little bit of dwell time so it can go in there and do its magic.
And pull it back.
Remove some of the spots and stains that are absorbed into it.
Okay.
Chemical wise, I'd say Oxyblaster by far the best, the most copied product as well.
Okay.
The Trash High pH is great for when you have buildup, because when you have buildup on the tile and grout, you're really not cleaning the grout. You're cleaning the buildup, because the buildup is going to not allow the Oxyblaster to get absorbed into the grout line to do its job.
And remove it.
So if it's got buildup on it, in like a greasy restaurant or something like that, you want to make sure you put the Trash High pH on there, get rid of that buildup so you can concentrate on the grout line and then have the Oxyblaster be absorbed into it.
Okay. Speaking of restaurants, right? Obviously, the most common thing you probably see in a restaurant is grease. Somebody comes in to you, Taf, I have a restaurant to clean. Carpet's really old, it's full of grease and slush. Then I'm guessing you will also recommend that Trash High pH.
Actually, yes, that's correct. So the Trash High pH has a pH of 13.5. It's a lot of pH because 14 is the top. So it's alkaline. It's highly alkaline. You don't want to use it on clean stuff because then you're going to ruin the pH. But when you use it on dirty, built up spots and stains and dirt, then what it actually does, it neutralizes that a lot faster, because everything we eat and drink is on the acid side. So when we have buildup, basically what you're doing is you're cleaning acid. In order to do that, if you use a high alkaline, it just does it faster. So it's not, people want to say that it's, what's the best product? There is no such thing. In this particular case, when you're cleaning buildup, and the buildup is on the acid side, then the high pH, and generally buildup is on the acid side because everything we eat and drink is on the acid side. Kind of like our mouth too, we have acid. So when we go brush our teeth, we use alkaline toothpaste because it neutralizes it right away. Otherwise, it would just take us forever to clean. Same thing with the floors. When there's buildup, use a high alkalinity pre-spray so it cuts it down right away. And then also, remember that it's also getting neutralized. The pre-spray, the 13.5, is getting neutralized by the acid too. So therefore, when you're cleaning clean things, don't use the high pH because there's nothing on there to neutralize that.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.